Okay, it's starting to cool down here in Tuscany. I see you got your sweater, and where are we at here? What town is this?
We are in another great town along the Francigena Way that is the route of the Viandante that is very famous all over the world. And this town is called Castiglione d'Orcia. It's a big castle, almost a rock, at the top of the hill, and you have a fantastic view. One of the highest town around the area.
Wow, we got a great video for you today on how to have fun outdoors. You're gonna love this one, guys. This is the 5th village that we've done on our Tour of Tuscany series. Make sure you watch all 5. They are amazing. And the whole concept behind this series is simple. If you go to Italy, you go to Rome, you go to Siena, you go to Florence. Yeah, these are great cities. They're awesome, lots to see, but they're tourist sites, right? We're taking you to little villages outside of those towns that are just filled with shops and food and all kinds of really unique architecture and history. And guess what, guys? You're going to want to watch this one. It is awesome. If you haven't, check out our Facebook, Instagram, our website, How to Have Fun Outdoors. Hit that notify button so you get all of our videos. We travel all over the world. And then we have our sister channels, How to Have Fun Camping, How to Have Fun Fishing, and How to Have Fun Cruising, with cruises all over the world. That's right, folks. This one is pretty special. This is located about 90 kilometers, 56 miles southeast of Florence and about 25 miles southeast of Siena. And believe it or not, just filled with tons and tons of history. In fact, the history dates back all the way to 714. That's right, 714. And obviously, it goes on and on throughout time. Back in 1252, it became a free commune and lost its independence to the Republic of Siena. Back then, it's been part of unified Italy for a long time, but it has so much history, so much charm. You're going to love this video, guys. And this thing is now declared part of the World Heritage Site by UNESCO.
That is way up there, huh?
Are you ready to go up?
That's a hike. I hope they have an escalator or an elevator.
Tell me too. Always up.
Wow, this is like the first area that I feel like I'm actually back in the 1600s. How old is this?
Yeah, that area is 1618.
1618. It is incredible. Look at the stonework. This must have been exactly how it felt back in the old days.
I suggest the ladies to not wear high heels up here.
No high. There's your tip of the day. No high heels. Wow, look at that.
The beautiful stonework and everything about this village is really unbelievable. But Alice, what do you think?
I think that is a very unique place, and in particular the main square is called Piazza il Vecchietta, named after Lorenzo di Pietro, also known as Il Vecchietta. He was a prominent Renaissance artist that was born in this town.
Trattori?
That is a trattoria. Trattoria is usually a small family-owned restaurant.
Ah, very good.
Homemade food. Castiglione d'Orcia is a really small town.
Yeah, the population's only about 2,500 residents.
You have to pay attention to not get lost. There are so many little roads. This is a casa vacanza or holiday house. They are renting it, and this is how cute it is.
Wow.
Great location.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And take a look where it's at.
With a fantastic view on the sunset.
Wow.
If you're looking for a place of romance for your spouse, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, this is the spot. The overlooks are amazing. It's just a beautiful place to go.
Castiglione d'Orcia, what a beautiful little village way up high on top of a mountain. It is gorgeous. Views from every side of this little village, and you are definitely going to want to come here. Out of all the villages we've been to, This one feels the oldest. That's right. When you walk in, you feel like you're back in the 1500s, 1600s. It's got that kind of vibe. Wow, incredible history, Alice.
Yeah, they are actually saying that the name of this town was first mentioned between the Arezzo and Siena war to get these churches back in 714 Anno Domini. It's crazy. Think about
714.
714, not 17, 714. That's pretty
714.
awesome.
That is crazy awesome. Wow, look at this. This dates back to how far, Alice?
Well, it seems that it's been built back already before the 14th or 15th century, because they were already trying to renovate and make it stronger. It seems also that it's been finalized back in 1471, and now this is the last door keeps standing and the entrance to the village.
Wow, super cool. Take a look at that.
This town and this region around Castiglione d'Orcia is known for its high-quality olive oil production.
Yeah, this town actually has its heritage with an annual olive oil festival showcasing local products. And boy, oh boy, was there tons of great olive oil in this region. We absolutely love it.
Hey, look at the size of that door.
Yeah, all the doors are always smaller because people were shorter. I cannot even pass through it.
Wow, super cool. Yeah, look at this door, another cool door. So amazing, huh?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah, it's probably one of the oldest and cutest small church in the whole world.
Yeah, this is incredible. Look how old this church is. Look at the old bells up there too. Wow.
If I could marry again, I would marry here.
This is beautiful.
There are several churches around Castiglione d'Orcia. One of them is Santa Maria Maddalena, and then there is also Salimbeni.
Yeah, these are both beautiful churches. You can just feel these are original, beautiful old churches that you're not going to find in too many locations. Absolutely awesome.
I love all these old churches, and one common thing in Italy is actually going inside of the church, pray, and light up a candle.
Yeah, I mean, from one church to the next, I mean, each one has its own amazing history, and so many of these churches are so old. To see something like this is really amazing for an American.
Yeah, one of the town's most iconic landmark is the Rocca di Tentennano. That is a medieval fortress perched on a hill overlooking the village. Very, very unique.
Yeah, this whole area is way up on top of a hill, as you can see here. And the lookouts are pretty amazing.
Yeah, it offers panoramic views of the surrounding countryside, including the views of Montagnata, that is an extinct volcano of the area.
Yeah, so a lot of the classic pictures you see of Tuscany come from this area, like that villa in the background you can see is just classic picture, right, Alicia?
Yes, absolutely.
I mean, absolutely amazing. But guess what? We're taking you to another hidden spot.
All right, we are in the location of Bagno Vignoni. Bagno Vignoni has the older area that is the thermal spa of Romans. And over there you can still see the old ruins of the Roman spa. And then all the water comes out from there and it goes down in the natural spa that you can see down here.
Wow, I was super impressed with this bridge and this area. And unlike most Italian towns in central Piazza, this town has a main square that's occupied back to the 16th century pool of thermal water, Alice. Pretty amazing.
Look at that. Amazing. Look at this, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think, Alice?
That the Romans, they knew what they were doing, so you can come here and do your therapies
Wow.
in a natural landscape. It's amazing to think that these are hot springs from the Romans' day.
Yeah, this is so cool.
So coming here and exploring this area, there's really no tickets to get in. There's no tourist trap. This is just Roman ruins sitting there for you to explore, which is pretty amazing. But they do have the little village with 50 permanent residents, and we will take you there where the spa is still active today.
We made it. Here is the spot that the Romans designed for their spa. And the next time we come here during the day, and we are gonna do our own spa.
This is really amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, hot water, beautiful spa, all natural.
Also back from the Roman Empire age till today, the thermal waters of Bagno Vignoni are known for the fact that they are rich in minerals and they can have great effect on your joints. And from the history, the thermal baths have attracted many notable visitors, including Saint Caterina di Siena, Pope Pius II, and Lorenzo de' Medici. It is such a magical place. It brings you back to all the old times, and you can still imagine like Nero and all the emperor.
Caesar and all the great Romans.
Underneath here you can see the grain machine. So this is a very cool concept. The mountain has a different level, different balconies, I would say, and each one of them is a different pool. And the highest you go, obviously, and the hottest the temperature of the water is. And then the more you go down, and it became warm instead of hot.
Well, no worries. This is not where you're going to take your loved one. You're going to go up on that hill. That's right, where there's a beautiful spa that you can go to today and enjoy the weekend and get away. It is awesome. But how about all of those ruins? Pretty amazing.
Like the Arkansas Hot Springs National Park, this location is famous because of the thermal suite. So every hotel offers thermal spa, and they all use the natural hot springs of the area. So you can see that it's very fancy for that reason. A lot of people, rich people, come here just to have their treatment done.
And if you haven't seen our hot springs video, definitely check that out. Here's the thumbnail for it. But that is a great video, and we got special permission to tour one of the longest active spas in North America.
Wow, fantastic, huh?
Yes.
I mean,
welcome to Bagno Vignoni.
beautiful. Excellento.
Eccellente.
Eccellente?
Eccellente.
Eccellente.
Bravo, Tommy. That's right.
You talk about romance, this is the place. Great restaurants, beautiful spa, lit up wonderful at night, nice music, plenty of wine, great food. This is a hidden getaway. This is the kind of place that we did this whole series of 5 villages, because you can go here, get away from the grid, and have a lot of fun on a very romantic getaway in Italy, in Tuscany.
This is one of our favorite little restaurants here in Bagno Vignoni. It's called Il Loggiato.
Let's go check it out.
Well, as you're aware, this is the last of our 5-part series in Tuscany. We'll be doing more videos from Italy, don't worry about that. Alice's from Italy, and we love traveling there. But overall, no question about it, this was a wonderful dinner. Take a look at that chow. The atmosphere was amazing. The wine was great. But this is all why you should go and explore some of these smaller towns and spend more time in Italy, not just the big towns. But overall, we really hope you enjoyed this series. Comment down below. Let us know what you think. And Alice, are you ready?
Yes,
Thank you so much for watching. How to have fun outdoors.